Light.
All right. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, everyone. Do let me know if the audio video both is clear. Guys, do let me know if the audio video is clear. And today we are going to start with IPM Rohtak. Today we are going to start with IPM Rohtak verbal ability practice. Good evening, Shambhui. We are going to start with IPM Rohtak practice session. In this IPM Rohtak paper is scheduled for 20th of July, and that is why for this whole week we are doing practice sessions for maths, verbal and reasoning. Also, I am giving you VAT topics on our Telegram channel on everyday basis. Okay, so this is one paper of verbal ability which we are going to solve today with all of you guys. I hope that you all enjoy this session. Let's start with the session. The first question which we are doing right now is, I would request all of you to keep answering the questions so that an interest level is maintained in a very specific manner in this particular session. So all of you are requested to keep answering so that we may have a good interest level in this session. The first question is, what is the synonym? Synonym means what is the equal meaning of the word coerce. So when we talk about coercing, we talk about pressurizing somebody or obligating somebody to do some work. So when we talk about this, the best word out here should be what? Pressurizing. So the correct answer for coerce is second, pressurize for some work. We'll go to the next question. And in one, we have four sentences which are jumbled together. We are going to solve it right now. And I request you all to read this particular question and give me the right options. I give you 1 minute to solve this question. Solve it fast, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very easy question. First of all, when you read these whole questions, all these statements, you will see as to where is the subject. So when we talk about subject, the first subject is what? The first statement is what? A 4.7 meter long whale died on Saturday in Philippines, where it was stranded a day earlier. An environmental group performed a necropsy of what? The whale on the animal and found 40 kilograms of plastic, including grocery bags and rice sacks. So B can be the starting of the paragraph, A will follow it, and D and C, when you read it, it is very, obvious that the correct answer should be fourth, B, A, D, C. Very simple question, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it is clear with everyone. We'll move on to the next question. Question number 3. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. No substitution is given. Select no improvement. If you park your car here, the traffic police has fined you. First of all, if you park your car here, this is the cause. So, and this is the effect. Yesterday's class also I told you that whatever the cause is, the effect will always be 1/10 after the cause. A cause and effect always has a difference of 1/10. Okay. So if this is present tense, cause is present tense, the effect should be in future tense. What is future tense, guys? Second one. So the correct answer should be second. Very easy. It is all about what we did in the last class. Okay. Fourth. Question number 4, ladies and gentlemen. Do give me the right answer fast. 30 seconds. Fast, everyone. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. At daggers drawn. Daggers drawn means when you are hopeless. When you have lost all your hopes, you say that somebody is at daggers drawn. That means third, without hope is the right answer. Daggers drawn means without hope. I hope it is very clear with everyone. We'll go to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Answer the question, ladies and gentlemen. Around 60 bands in colorful dash took part in the Notting Hill Carnival. So in colorful, when we talk about band, we don't talk about clothings, we don't talk about apparels, we talk about costumes. So when we talk about a band, we definitely are talking about costumes. Just a minute, ladies and gentlemen. I think okay, now it should be clear. The battery was down in the laptop. Just a minute. Let me check if it has worked. Yeah, it's charging now. We'll run it now. Okay, sorry for the... All right, question number 6th. Question number 6th. Scarce. What is the antonym of this word, ladies and gentlemen? Antonym of scarce is what? Antonym means opposite. So opposite of scarce is plentiful. Very easy question. We'll go to question number 7th now. We'll go to question number 7th. Select the correct active form of the given statement. Active form means what is the first form of speech. After every passing vehicle was thoroughly checked by the guards. Every passing vehicle was being thoroughly checked by the guards. That means the guards read these statements and tell me the right answer, ladies and gentlemen. Every passing vehicle was being thoroughly checked. That means the guard were thoroughly checking every vehicle. The guards were thoroughly checking every passing vehicle. I think third should be the right answer. I think third should be the right answer. First is wrong. The guards have thoroughly checked. It cannot be in perfect tense. We have to make sure that it is being in continuous tense, and the only statement we have in continuous tense is third one. Hence, we'll mark 3 as the right answer. We'll go to question number 8, ladies and gentlemen. Question number 8. I want the answer within 30 seconds. All of you, make sure that you answer the question in 30 seconds. Answer it fast. Question number 8, ladies and gentlemen. Question number 8. We had to decline several orders in case that the production was held up due to labor strike. We had to decline several orders in case that the production was, right? Question number 8. Correct. We had to decline several orders in case that, this is wrong, right? In case of the production was held. Okay, this should not be in case that, it should be in case of. So what is the mistake, ladies and gentlemen? Case of. Option should be 4th. Okay? Option should be 4th. This is the part of the statement which contains the mistake. Shreya Mishra, it is not 3rd beta, it is 4th. There's nothing called in case that, it is always in case of. I hope it is clear. Let us go to the next question, question number 9th. Select the word which means the same as the group of the words given. A student who idly or without excuse absents herself from school. A person who does not go to school, somebody who misses the school. Somebody who misses the school is known as what? The correct word is truant. Truant is a person who does not want to go to school, somebody who bunks the school. Somebody who bunks the school is a truant, right? I hope this meaning is very clear. It is a new word maybe for you guys, but you should remember this word, okay? Next word. Next question. Question number 10th, ladies and gentlemen. Select the wrongly spelled word. Expire, I think this is absolutely correct. Explicit, this is correct. Explode, this is also correct. Exploit is wrong. The word, the way we use this is, this is how you write exploit. So this is wrong. E should not be here. So the correct answer is 4th. Easy question, ladies and gentlemen. We'll go to question number 11th, all of you. Select the wrongly spelled word. Career, I think it is correct. Callous behavior, irresponsible behavior, it is correct, right? Carriage is correct. Calendar, this is wrong answer. The spelling of calendar is C-A-L-E-N-D-E-R. This is one spelling of calendar. Second spelling of calendar is C-A-L-N-D-A-R, calendar. This calendar is calendar in which you have the chronology, the date, and this calendar is a cloth used in kitchen to clean kitchen. Okay, so one is ER, one is AR. I hope it is very clear. Question number 12. Select the word which means the same. Means the same means what is synonym? A person, animal, or plant much below the usual height. I think it is a dwarf, which is basically a term which was used in the medieval times for women who used to do magic. Wizard was used for magicians who were males. Magicians who were females were witch. And a creature is a usual term, everybody knows about it. Dwarf is a person who is short-heighted. So question number 13, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do this question. Question number 13. 4 jumbled sentences. I give you 1 minute. Give me the right answer, everyone. Irregular shaped creature was called dwarf in Sparta. All right. Basically, dwarf is in medieval times, dwarf meaning is a person who has an irregular shaped spine. Okay, the spinal cord which was not shaped nicely, that person was not dwarf. So maybe Sajal is referring to the same thing. All right. Anyways, we'll go to this question. Question number 13. 1 minute. Answer it. All right, let's search the subject. Absolutely correct. Pranav Pandit is saying first as the right answer, which is absolutely correct. First should be the right answer. This cafe, which has just opened in Tokyo, is not for the faint-hearted. Then we'll go for C. Here you sip your drink in the company of 35 snakes. And then B, none of them are venomous. Them is referred to snakes. And A, the cafe owner says interested. So basically, this cafe is the subject. Here you drink, here is used for this cafe. So D, C, B, here none of them are venomous, which is used for snakes. So B and then A is definite answer. The correct answer should be first. Very easy question, ladies and gentlemen. We'll go to question number 14. Identify the segment which contains the grammatical error. Just read it, 30 seconds, all of you. Read it and give me the right answer. Cyclone Adai killed at least 157 people in Zimbabwe and Mozambique, although it tore across southern Africa. The usage of no. First of all, although this conjunction used here is wrong. Cyclone Adai killed at least 157 people in Zimbabwe and Mozambique. While it tore across southern Africa. So while should be used. Although is not used in that sense, right? This is not how you use although, right? So I think the answer should be first. Although is used when a combination of two things are used. Although he is rich, he did not give me money. So this is what the combination goes like. So first will not be the right answer. Okay. Although changes tone, but tone is not changed here. Absolutely. Question number 15, ladies and gentlemen, all of you fast. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If no substitution is required, select no improvement. The workers of this textile factory demand higher wages for a long time. For a long time is used here. That means they have been demanding for higher wages, right? So I think have been demanding higher wages is the right answer, because the term which is used here is used for this long time. That means they have been doing certain things over a long period of time. For that we use perfect continuous statement, ladies and gentlemen. So the workers of this textile factory have been demanding higher wages for a long time. So that is how the combination will be. The correct answer is fourth, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to question number 6. Everyone, select the most appropriate option for blank number 1. Appropriate option for blank number 1. All right. So I think this question is missing. Question number 16, 17, 18, 20. There's a mistake in the question. We have missed on the paragraph. So we'll omit question number 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. These 5 questions. We are sorry for it because the text of the question is missing. So they are wrong questions. We will move on to another question. Question number 21. Select the synonym of the given word. All right. Chronic. Chronic means common, persistent, temporary, ordinary. I think persistent. Chronic means for a long period of time. So the correct answer should be persistent. Let me go back to question number 15. Akash Bandhu Jain is saying why option number 2 is incorrect. Right. So for why the workers of this textile factory has demanded. First of all, it is a plural tense out here. Workers is a plural. So has demanded cannot be right here. Okay. Has demanded cannot be right here. Akash, I hope your question is solved. Okay. Let us go to question number 22. Ladies and gentlemen, question number 22. Select the correct passive form of the given sentence. Select the passive form of the given sentence. All of you, do not buy medicines without the doctor's prescription. Do not buy medicines without the doctor's prescription. So, the medicine should come first. What is the right answer? Question number 22, ladies and gentlemen. What is the right answer? Medicine should not be bought without doctor's prescription. Absolutely correct. Medicines need not be, this is wrong because it changes the tone of the statement. This also changes the tone. This also changes the tone. So 2, 3 and 4 are using different modal verbs which change the overall tone of this statement. We don't have to change the overall tone of this statement. So the correct statement should be first. All right, great. Question number 23, ladies and gentlemen. Question number 23. Select the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. His company has the dash of producing the best cricket bats in the country. So his country has the brand, no, position, no, reputation obviously can be used because it sinks in the tone of the statement. So the correct answer should be third. All right, very good. I'm very happy people are answering the questions. Let's go to question number 24. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. To play ducks and drakes. What do you mean by this idiom, ladies and gentlemen? Question number 24. To play ducks and drakes. To play ducks and drakes means to use something very badly, to use something very recklessly. So the correct answer should be first. Do you act cleverly? No. This is not the right answer. I'm sure you people have guessed this question, but this is now how it goes. The correct answer is first. Okay. To play ducks and drakes means to use something in a very bad manner or use something recklessly. This is what the answer is. Last question. Question number 25. Question number 25. Select the antonym of the given word. Expansion. Antonym means opposite meaning. So when you expand, basically what you're doing, expansion should be opposite to compression. So the correct answer is third. Expansion, antonym, compression. So the correct answer is third. I hope that makes sense. All right. Now, just to ensure you people and instill a lot of confidence in you guys, this whole paper which we solved right now was the English section of SSC 2019 paper which was conducted on 4th June. SSC prelims paper. This is the English section of SSC prelims paper. So as you can see, SSC exams are such easy exams that I don't know why people find a lot of trouble qualifying this examination. But trust you me, SSC exams have the most easy section of English and maths and reasoning sections. All right. So I hope this is very clear with you. I hope this makes sense with everyone, and you should be able to solve all these questions. Tomorrow also I will land up at 4 o'clock. I will come with another 25 questions for a VA practice, and tomorrow we will try to solve these 25 questions in just 10 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, in 10 minutes we'll be trying to solve the questions. Nandini is saying, all right, I am a government employee now, sir. I guess LOL. All right. All right, Sajal. Nandini Bindal is saying, what can be the expected cutoff of IPM Rohtak? IPM Rohtak exam, which is scheduled to happen on 20th July. Right now, Nandini, I cannot comment on to the fact as to what should be the cutoff, but I believe that out of 60 questions, you should be getting at least 40 to 45 questions absolutely correct, given the level of the questions I am expecting. Okay, because in 45 minutes, if you are given to solve 60 questions, I'm definitely sure that the questions will not have a very difficult level. All right. So as the level of the questions will be very easy, you should be targeting not less than 45 questions. Absolutely correct. And trust you me, the kind of questions we are practicing, if you're all you people are fast enough and accurate enough, you all should be able to clear the cutoff. Okay. But ensure guys that you are writing VAT and 15 minutes practice of VAT every day. So you are practicing 2 VATs every day. Ensure that you are doing that. Otherwise, things might get a bit worse this year. Okay. So now, Akash is saying, please give some tips for VAT. Akash, brother, maybe you should watch my Monday session on how to write VAT. I have discussed for almost 30-35 minutes on how to write a good VAT. Okay, so once you have given, I am sure you should be able to clear it up. Okay, please watch this video, Akash. I'm sure you should be able to understand everything out of it. Inder Singh, sir, I am in class 12th now. Can I give IPM exam because I have 11th certificate? Yes, Inder, you can say, you can write this exam because the notification which we got from IPM Rohtak, it clearly stated that all guys who do not have class 12th mark sheet, they can definitely write the paper on the basis of 11th mark sheet, right? You should be able to write it in the, right? Every day, Sajal, every day I'm giving a VAT topic. You should read that, and you can, just get some data out of this VAT content which I'm giving. So, and then try to use in the VAT you write so that you may get better at data also and your writing skills also. Remember, guys, data in VAT is equally important. It is not just about writing the exam. It is also about using good data in your examination. Okay, VAT. So improve the quality of your VAT by using good data, and that is being provided. I'm trying to provide it every day. Today also in the flow in the Telegram link, I'll be giving a few data which you should be reading and then trying to use in your WAT topics. Okay. Yes, into 250 words only in 15 minutes, because in half an hour you have to write 2 essays, and 250 words 2 essays. So you should be practicing into time bound exercise. Okay, I hope it is very clear. That is all for the day. Thank you so much. Hope you liked this session. If you like this session, do like, press the thumbs up on the video, and try to share with all your friends. Do subscribe and share with your friends so that we may keep on providing you good content over this channel. Thank you so much. God bless you. May you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye. Take care. Thank you.